Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese small or mid-cap investments. Tuesday, September the 7th. Hope you all had a great, safe, and happy Labor Day long weekend. We're back to trading season. Everyone's back at home. The kids are in school. You're at your computers. You're looking for more great Chinese companies. Let's give you our one top story today. It comes out of China. Northeast Petroleum trades on the NYSEAmex under the stock symbol NEP. They put out their Q2 numbers for the quarter ended, June 30th. Here are the highlights. Revenue up 144%. That's a massive number to $27.7 million. GAAP net income was $25 million or 81 cents per diluted share. Now, if you extrapolate that out, you're talking about a company that may earn $3.20 per share for the year, and they close on Friday at $5.50. However, there is that number that I'm not crazy about. That GAAP net income included $15.1 million in non-cash gains. This is from the revaluation in the fair value of some warrants. So really, at the end of the day, it looks like they had about $10 million, which about 40% of that number of that A, so closer to 32 cents, I would say. But that looks like the true operating number because revaluing warrants for fair value, even though it's a non-cash item, I just don't see how you can value a company based on that number. On the balance sheet, $46.5 million in cash versus $34.2 million they had in March. So pretty big jump in cash. Gotta like that. Company spinning off substantial cash. Shareholders' equity, $103 million at the end of the quarter. They closed, as I said on Friday, $5.50. So even if you take out that non-cash gains related to the valuation of the warrants out of the equation, the company still had about $10 million. The company had about $10 million in GAAP net income. So that puts them somewhere around 30 cents per share. If you extrapolate that number over 4 quarters, you got about $1.20 per share, $1.20, $1.40 per share, give or take. Company closed at $5.50, so you're potentially picking up a company trading around 4.5 to 5 times earnings, and they're growing top line by 144%. So that's definitely something worth looking into as a potential for your next great Chinese small or mid-cap investment. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. One great press release for you today, but it's a great one. If you look for more great Chinese small mid-cap companies, get yourself to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Watch this show on a daily basis or through our syndication partners if you can't make it to us every morning. 2, take a look at the best headlines of the 300 companies that we're tracking in this space. We got them there every day by industry, and there's a bit of an archive over the past 2-3 days if you can't get to us every single day, so you can catch up. And finally, get yourself into our directory. That's where all 300 companies are listed. Succinct descriptions of each so you can quickly sum up the company, but at the same time, you can filter the list by industry and exchange and narrow down the field to a list of companies and industries that you're most interested in. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.